Hi, I'm Jamie, aka Largan Live. In this video we're going to go through some of the advanced sound setup options available in OBS and Windows. These allow for more individual control of your audio to enable you to do stuff such as separating party chat and sound effects from the game audio. This allows for separate level control or for you to monitor audio like party chat or tutorial videos without them being broadcast. Let's get started. For these setups, we'll be taking advantage of multiple audio output devices within Windows. A lot of computers will have multiple sound devices available, even if you've never used them. The most common example of this would be having a headphone or line-out socket and a monitor with built-in speakers, usually over HDMI. You can quickly view your currently active audio devices by using the volume icon in your taskbar. Clicking on this speaker opens up your volume control, but from here you can click on the device name above the volume to display a list and change the currently active sound outputs. As you can see here, I have multiple devices listed, and while I do have a more complicated sound setup on my PC, a video for which will be coming soon, for comparison, here's my old Mac Mini that's running Windows. This menu only shows enabled devices. To view all your devices, simply right-click on the speaker in your taskbar, and then open Sound Settings. In this sound control panel, you can choose Manage Sound Devices under either your output or your input settings. When you click on this link, it takes you to a full list of all your enabled and disabled sound devices. The other feature of Windows we will be using is through the Windows Advanced Sound Settings. Start by right-clicking on the taskbar speaker, then selecting Open Sound Settings to open the main Windows settings. From here, scroll down and under the Advanced Sound options, click on the App Volume button. This opens a page where you can choose which device each of your programs will be using. For example, I could change Among Us from using my default audio output to using my line 1 and 2 on my M audio card. And we can see from the meters I've already set up in OBS that the audio is now appearing on the other output. But how can we take advantage of these devices in OBS? The basic OBS audio setups are done by the Audio tab of the Systems menu. Usually by default here, you would have your main output device and your microphone as your only two inputs, but you can however add multiple devices. These devices are global devices. This means they are available across all of your scenes. This is useful for, say, your microphone, where you'd want to be able to talk in each of your scenes, but not always for your game or other audio, which you may not wish to have in certain scenes, such as breaks or hold and slides. In this case, you can add audio devices to individual scenes by adding a new audio output capture. The last setting we're going to look at in here is your monitoring device. Your monitoring device is how you can listen to any of your OBS sources, including your microphone, videos from media sources, or even your desktop audio capture. Let's look at a basic example of playing Among Us and using the Discord voice chat. In this case, we want to be able to listen to both the game and Discord, but only to broadcast the game audio. We've already set our Among Us to output to line 1 and 2, so let's go ahead and set it as a global audio device, as we always want to be able to hear it, and in this case we'll use desktop audio 2. For this example, we're just going to leave our desktop audio 1 as our default device to capture our Discord chat, just for ease. We're also going to set our monitoring device as default. That way OBS will output to our main device, in this case let's say they're headphones. When we click on OK to close the settings, we can see a new device in our audio mixer. Firstly, to prevent confusion and for the sake of my own brain, I'm going to rename this to Game. By default however, this will be broadcasting and we are currently unable to hear it. We can change this by opening the Advanced Audio Properties window by clicking on the cog next to any audio source and selecting that option. In this window, along with the volume and various other controls, we have a drop-down menu for audio monitoring. This lets us choose for each source if we broadcast it, labelled as monitor off, listen to it only, labelled as monitor only mute output, or both monitor and output. For this example, we want our game audio to both be broadcast and monitored, so we set this to monitor and output. Our Discord chat on our desktop audio device we don't want to broadcast, so we'll set this to monitor only mute output. Now we have both the game and the Discord chat playing back through our main headphones, but only the game will be broadcast. It is worth noting that the game audio will also appear on the desktop audio meters. This is because we are capturing everything that goes to our headphones. If you wanted this to be completely separated, you could set Discord to use a different audio output device and follow the same steps we have for the game. These features provide a lot of flexibility and options to help you customize both what you and your audience hear. I hope you found it informative and a good starting point for building your own setups. There are of course plenty of other ways of using audio routing in OBS, and I've only been able to cover a small fraction here. If there are other ways you find useful, let us know in the comments below, and if they're particularly useful or interesting, I might even make a video about them, with suitable crediting of course. Or if you have a setup that's unique or that you're particularly proud of, you can share your setups over on my Discord, the link for which is in the video description. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, don't forget to give this video a like and get subscribed for more tutorials and gaming videos. And don't forget to check out my live streams over on Twitch, the link for which is below. Thanks for watching.